benefits that will happen to your body of soaking okra overnight in a glass of water and eating it in an empty stomach. Okra is one of the most favorite flower plants in the world. It is also known as bhindi or lady's fingers. Due to its seed pods, it is one of the most highly prized plants. In the science world, it goes by the name Abelmoschus esculentus. Okra is a plant that is commonly used in a lot of dishes all around the world, mostly used in green salads or in people's everyday average meals. But not all people can and want to consume okra, because it has a strong and unique taste, and it is very weird when you're chewing it in your mouth. It is high in nutrients, vitamins, minerals and organic compounds, which gives it the ability to provide amazing health benefits. As we said, it is very nutritional because of its huge amounts vitamins that are contained in it, including vitamin A, B, C, E and K. It contains minerals like magnesium, calcium, iron, zinc and potassium. Also there is a lot of fiber in the okra. If you want your body to absorb all of the nutrients and vitamins that are contained in the okra, douse it with filtered and clean water over the night, and when you get up drink the water and consume the okra at the same time. Drinking and consuming the remedy we just told you will provide amazing benefits and effects, as it will improve and boost your health in general. And if you are interested in more, keep reading below in the article. Here we give you some of the benefits of consuming okra. Immune system. Because of its richness with antioxidants, it is quite helping in case if your organism needs to fight with free radicals. Due to its high levels of vitamin C, it can boost the immune system very much. Vitamin C in fact is stimulating our immune system to produce white blood cells, which help us to fight against foreign pathogens in our body, which are harmful for us. Digestive health. The best thing about consuming okra and including it in your everyday meals is that can increase the ability of your organism to consume more fibers. It helps in a way that it makes the food in our digestive system to move regularly, and with that our gastrointestinal problems like cramping, bloating and gases are reduced to minimum. Actually it can prevent from diarrhea too, because it adds bulk to our watery stools. And the richness in fiber makes it able to relieve from too much cholesterol in our body. Skin health. Due to its richness in antioxidants and vitamins, it has the ability to take care of our skin health, because these two promote faster healing. Also after an injury, if there is a scar, its appearance will be very low. It's the same for acne and wrinkles too. This is because the antioxidants can neutralize the free radicals in us, and can repair the skin cells which were damaged by these free radicals. Vision booster. It contains a lot of vitamin A, also a lot of antioxidants including lutein, beta-carotenes, and even xanthene. We also told you that antioxidants have the ability to fight and destroy free radicals, or simply neutralize them, which are very dangerous for our cellular system. For the degradation of cells in our body are responsible the free radicals, also including the ones that are responsible for our vision. You can protect your eyesight by adding the okra more and more to your meals. It is the same for cataracts and macular degeneration. Heart health and blood pressure. Okra is a pure source of minerals and vitamins like potassium, which is very important to be consumed for our general health. Consuming potassium is very good for us, because not only that it balances the levels of sodium, it also maintains a proper fluid balance. The acids that are contained in it are calming and relaxing the arteries and blood vessels. Therefore the blood pressure is reduced, and that has a positive effect on our cardiovascular system. Thus the clotting inside our arteries and atherosclerosis can be easily treated with okra, or the process can be reversed. For more health advice, be sure to like us and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you like the video give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified of the new videos from us.